Hello there, my name is Onestimo and welcome to my first video entitled Crowd1, My Cash Cow. So today I'm going to talk to you about how you can use Crowd1 to generate income for yourself on a long-term basis. And yes, I am a Crowd1 member and I'm hoping that at the end of this talk, you will also decide to join our team and become a happy Crowd1 member. So what is Crowd1? Crowd1 is the first 100% mobile networking company that has been adopted for the global market. It uses high-end, real-time mobile technology that affords you and I the opportunity to turn our smartphones into ATMs. So, that being said, it means that you can use your smartphone to run your business anywhere and at any time. So it is not location bound, meaning you can do it at any time as long as you've got data and your phone at hand. So Crowd1 uses crowd marketing and online networking to create a solid crowd of members that are eager to take advantage of agreements that have already been negotiated with profitable third-party companies within the entertainment, the gaming, and the online education industries. How do you then get involved in Crowd1? Crowd1 has 4 packages. The first package is called the white package, the black package, the gold package, the titanium package. The white package is 99 euros, black package 299 euros, gold package is 799 euros, titanium is 2,499 euros. Let's talk about the white package for the sake of the exercise that we are doing. Right. So if you buy the white package, you then afford yourself 100 euros worth of crowd rewards. And if you buy the black package, you afford yourself 300 euros worth of crowd rewards. If you buy the gold package, you afford yourself 1,000 euros value of crowd rewards. And if you buy the titanium package, you also afford yourself 3,500 euros worth of crowd rewards. So in Crowd1, you get paid in 2 forms or 2 ways. The first is through crowd rewards. Second, it is through bonuses, Crowd1 bonuses. Okay, so let's begin. In Crowd1, you can decide whether you want to join the business and become passive, which means you don't introduce the business to any other person after you've joined. You are happy with just signing up, buying your package, and just going on your merry way. So Crowd1 says we've got room for such people, even though I personally feel that it's not the right way of doing business, because when you get into business, you want it for the long haul. So Crowd1 says you can either decide to be passive, and when you are passive, then you get paid streamline bonus on a weekly basis, and you also get paid every 3 months, which means every quarter you get paid residual income, which is on the basis of crowd rewards. So if you join the business and you do not recruit anyone under you, you will get paid 2.50 euros every week, which then comes to 10 euros a week. And then you'll also get the profit share at the end of each 3 months paid into your account. So Crowd1 says, if you then decide to join the business and recruit people under you, you then unlock yourself 5 kind of bonuses. The first one I've already mentioned, it's the streamline bonus, which means the day you decide to sign up on Crowd1, you will then afford yourself crowd rewards. And you then hold your stake within the business. So if you join the business and you are number 100 within the business, Crowd1 says every member that joins the business after you, you get a profit share of the business that is generated from those people after you. So this means that the more people you have under you, the more the profit share, the more the crowd rewards that you'll earn per week. Crowd 1 says if you have one person under you and they anticipate that 10,000 people would have joined the business after you, you will get paid not 250 euros, but you'll get paid 5 euros a week, which will make it 20 euros a month. Then Crowd 1 says if you have 2 people joining the business under you, then Crowd 1 expects or anticipates that there would be about 25,000 people that will have joined the business after you. And if that happens, then Crowd 1 increases your weekly payment from 5 euros to 7.50 euros. If you have up until 4 people within the white package, then Crowd 1 says they will pay you up to 10 euros a week for the white package. It will not increase until you upgrade from your white package to the black package. The minute you hit the 5th person under you, Crowd 1 advises that you upgrade to the black package. And when you do, then your weekly payments increase from 10 euros to 15 euros and so forth. So with the streamline bonus, the number of people that you personally introduce into the business plus the number of people who join the business after you determine your weekly payment out of the streamline bonus. Let's move on. So the second payment or the second bonus that you unlock is the binary bonus. Crowd 1 says the minute you have 2 people joining the business under you, you unlock a monthly payment out of the bonus, the binary bonus. Binary bonus says if you have 2 people joining under you, one person on your left buying the white package and one person on your right also buying the white package, each white package weighs 90 points. So for the 1:1 ratio, which is one of the forms that binary payments look into within Crowd 1, you will get paid 90 times 2, which gives you 180, and 10% of 180 is 18 euros. So the binary bonus pays out in 3 forms. The 1:1 ratio, which I've just mentioned, the 1:2 ratio, which means you have one person on your left and 2 people on your right. And when that happens, you multiply 90 by 3, which means it gives you 270, and 27 euros is 10% of 270. So that is the 1:2 ratio. 1:3 ratio simply means that you have one person on your right and 3 people on your left. And if you have 3 people on your left and one person on your right, you multiply the white package 90 points by 4, which gives you 360 points, which makes, 360 euros, which means you will get paid the maximum of 36 euros for the white packages. So Crowd 1 says that is the maximum that you can get paid for the white package on the binary bonus. The minute your people that are under you upgrade to black, gold, and titanium, so will also your weekly and monthly payments increase to the value of those packages. So for the binary bonus, the minimum that you can get paid for the white packages is 18 euros and the maximum is 36 euros. For the black package, the minimum you can get paid is 54 euros and for the maximum it's 108 euros. For the gold package, the minimum you can get is 144 euros and the maximum is 288 euros. And for the titanium, the minimum you can get paid is 450 euros and for the maximum it's 900 euros. So this means that on both your legs, it is always advisable that you have them unbalanced. One of your legs should be longer or stronger than the other. That's how binary bonus works. We move on to the third bonus, which is called the fear of loss bonus. This is the most quickest way of getting money out of Crowd 1. I call it the return on investment bonus because Crowd 1 says Within the first 14 days of you having joined the business, Crowd1 says they will give you 125 euros for the 4 people that you introduce into the business within that period of time. So Crowd1 says 125 euros will be paid to you once off into your account as soon as you are able to introduce 4 people within the specified time. That bonus doesn't carry over to the next month and the next month. So it's once off, and it's either you get it or you miss it. So we move on to the matching bonus. The matching bonus also has to do with the package that you signed up with. So if you signed up with a white package and you introduce people under you also in buying any other form of package, whether be it white, black, gold, or titanium, Crowd1 says you will get 10% of the value of the package that those people buy. So if there's 4 people that you introduce, you will times 10% by the 4 number of people or the packages that they buy. And that is the maximum that you can get for that level, right? That is for the white package. So we are using the white package for the sake of the example and for the sake of Crowd1's presentation today. Then we move on to the network levels bonus. The network levels bonus purely means that Crowd1 has got 1 to 21 levels. The first level being the team leader 1-star level. Second is team leader 2-star, team leader 3-star, up until ambassador 1-star, ambassador 2-star, and ambassador 3-star. So Crowd1 says when you do join the business and you have 4 people under you, you then unlock yourself team leader 1-star bonus. The minute your first person who's under you gets their first 4 people, guess what? They also unlock themselves team leader 1-star status. But as for you, the sponsor, you then move from 1-star, team leader 1-star, to team leaders 2-star level. So can you see how beneficial it is to help your team grow under you? Because their success becomes your success. Then there's the 5th bonus, which is called the gaming bonus or the gambling bonus. That's what I choose to call it. There, when you do decide to go onto the Afilgo website and to gamble using, say, 50 euros a week, and whether you make you actually win or lose, even if you lose, you still make a win, because the proceeds that come out of that gambling site is also paid onto Crowd1 members, because that's the affiliation that we have with Afilgo. So earlier on, I mentioned that we get crowd rewards. So the companies that we are affiliated to on the entertainment industry is Afilgo, and on the gaming, it's the Magstar Industries. On my next video, I'm going to go deep into the Afilgo and the Magstar. So if we were to recap, let's talk about the packages that we have. We have 4 packages: the white package at 99 euros, the black package at 299 euros, the gold package at 799 euros, the titanium package at 2499 euros. And then out of those 4 packages, you can get paid bonuses over and above the crowd rewards that you generate from mere buying the packages. The bonuses we talked about is the streamline bonus, where the number that you hold within the business, as in the day you decide to join the business, you get paid profit share of everybody that joins the business after you. 2, the binary bonus, which pays out in 3 forms. The 1:1 ratio, the 1:2 ratio, and the 1:3 ratio. The maximum payout for that bonus is the 1:3 ratio. And you must always strive to have that placement within your tree. 3, we have the fear of loss bonus, which basically means that within the first 14 days of you having joined the business, you then introduce 4 people into the business. Crowd1 pays you 125 euros worth, 125 euros into your account once off. That bonus is not recurring, and it's once off and it ends there. So either you get it or you don't. Then we have the networking bonus. Networking levels bonus means that The minute you clinch your 4 people under you, you move